Ritzy, tech-forward interior. The interiors are extremely attractive and feature beautiful perforated upholstery and similar crystal-like cut glass controls for volume, seat adjusters controls and iDrive knobs you can find in the newly introduced 7 Series models. It's a cozy car to enjoy your travels. The layout of the instrument is extremely in the modern BMW style and features the curved display, which includes the 12.3-inch touchscreen instrument panel in the front of the driver and a 14.9-inch screen for iDrive 8 in the center of the dashboard. It's an appealing, clear, and practical layout, even though the hexagonal wheel is an effective fashion which blocks a portion of the cluster and is not necessary to increase the thigh clearance. A lot of the configurations for instrument clusters offer information in random and not always attractive manner. The iDrive display has 37 different icons, all depicting functions and offering submenus of different levels of complex. For instance, you can select an option that attempts to recreate the ambiance of an internal combustion engine, but is more like an engine wheezing.